one. Okay, now let's try number one. Y equals less than or equals 2. How it looks like the graph? The first one you have to check. You have to make a graph. Y equals 2 graph, first one. Where is y equal to graph? Y equal 2 is horizontal. Check it out. The next one we have to check out. This is a dashed line or solid line. It is dashed or solid. That equal. That is solid, this side. There's no equal, or this one, that is a dashed line. So y equal to that equal sign over here, we're gonna make right a solid line. Y equal to is this way. This is y equals 2. So the value of y already less than 2 is y. You can choose what the value of y at this point. When you choose this point is y equals 0, right? So y is less than 2. So the solution set in this region where it belongs to this point. So you can make the line over here. That's the solution set. It has a region, not only one line, okay? And also we can write over here S, that's the perfect. That means what? This is a solution regions. Is it okay? All right, now tackle the next one. X is greater than equals 3. We make the graph is what? X equals 3. Okay. And take a look, that is the dashed or solid, still solid. So we're gonna make x equal 3 is a vertical line, right? So that is x equal 3 over here. That is x equal 3. It should be greater than x, greater than 3. Where is x greater? This is, you can choose this point is what? 4 is greater than 3. So on your right hand side is what? The solution set. Okay. So I'm gonna use a different colors. That's your solution set. Write down S. Okay, a little more. You have this graph. So you're gonna make the line of here. First, y equals 1 over 2x minus 1. That's the line, borderline. We need this line. And also the line should be, there's no equal sign of here. It should be dashed line. Now let's make the line of here. 1 over 2x minus 1. The starting point is negative 1, right? This is negative 1 over here. Slope is 1/2, okay? Slope is 1/2. Y-intercept is negative 1. Now you can make a graph. This is slope is negative, b is negative 1. Slope is 1/2 is what? 1/2 means right, move to the right 2 and up by 1, right? 2, 1 up. To the right 1, 2, 1 up. That's the point. Left is 1 down to left, 1 down to left, 1 down to left, another 1 down to left. But it should be dashed line. So I'm gonna use dashed. That is lower than this graph. This is the line. Lower this line is below always. Okay. So that is the solution set. Looks like over here. That is a solution set. Greater than is what? Over the graph. Okay. Upper part of the graph. You can write down this S. That is okay. All right, take a look. If that equal sign, the line is a solid line. There's no equal sign, the line is dashed. Okay. Greater than is what is it? Always upper part upper part already y equal greater than, down over here less than. Okay, down over here less than some graph. It's okay. This is the equal. I'm going to use that is solid line. The next one is a greater than. Right, this also greater than is what? This line upper part. This maybe you can make it a line. Which point is greater than this point? Over here, this point is greater than this point. That's why upper part. Less than, when you make the line, you choose 2 points. This point is lower than this one. That is less than. That's the solution set. Okay? All right. Now we're gonna try number, okay, 2. Can you guys try this one by yourself on your paper? The first one, okay, we work together anyway. The line is y equals 2/3 of x minus 2. The line should be what is there? Solid. Now let's make the line. Y-intercept is -2, b value is -2, down of that is our starting point. The next point, using this slope, you can find the next slope. Slope is 2/3, that both positive means what? To the right is 3, to the up is 2. That is the next point. So right 3, 2 up. The right 3, 2 up. That is the next point. Continue. The next one from left to the from right to left is 2 down, 3 left, right? 2 down, 3 left, 2 down, 3 left, 2 down, 3 left. That is a solid. You're gonna make solid line. And where is the solution set? Lower, less than means lower the graph. Okay, below the graph. That is the solution set. It is okay? All right. The next one. We have to find the solution set of this inequality. -2y is less than 4x minus 2. So to find the solution, to make graph solutions, we need what? Slope intercept form, right? So you can divide by -2 over here, -2 over here, -2 over here. When you divide by -2, direction will be opposite change. You know that rule, right? When you divide by negative number or positive number, the direction of inequality will be changed in opposite way. -2 divided by -2 is positive 1. Now this is the opposite way, greater than -4x divided by -2. This is positive 4 divided by 2 is -2x. -2 divided by negative positive 1. Okay, yeah, that is standard form. Using this, we can make a graph. The line is y equals -2x plus 1 and plus that is, what is the dashed line? Or you can use the dotted line. Where is the b value? Y-intercept is 1 over here. Where the slope? Slope is -2. -2 is -2 over 1 or 2 over -1. You can use either of this one. I'm going to use this one. Right 1 down 2. Right 1 down 2. That is next point. Right 1 down 2. Right 1 down 2. What about left hand side? 1 left, 2 up. Right from here, 1 left, 2 up. 1 left, 2 up. 1 left, 2 up. Okay, now we're gonna make the line. This is a solid. Oh, sorry, dashed line. Greater than is what? Over the graph. Over the graph, this side over the graph. you can write down over S. That's your solution set. Any questions about this? Come here, any questions? What about Victoria?
What did you say?
Any questions up to now?
No. I'm fine.
Okay. What about Victoria? Any questions, Victoria?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay. Now the next one. This is our goal today, all right? How to find the system of inequality. System of inequality is what? We have two solutions there, but we're gonna find what? Intersections. System of inequality is what? The line. This is the solutions. Inequality, system of inequality is what? Some area, right? Intersection area. It is okay. All right, now let's find the solution set. First one. You're gonna make a graph this one first graph. Well, they want you to use right set S, capital S, all right, to show the what? The solution set. And now let's make a graph. Y equals, this one is first one is y equals 2x minus 1, but the line is dashed. Y-intercept is negative 2. Slope is 2. Slope is 2 means what? The 1 right, 2 up. That is slope is 2. 1 right, 2 up over here. That's the next point. Another point, another point, another point. Going down over here, 1 left, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down. Dash the line, we're gonna make a dash. And less than is what? Below the graph, this side. Okay. So you will make the line over here anyway, below the right. Okay, the next one is the line of this one. Y equals negative 2x plus 1, but the line is solid. Positive one is over here. P value, y-intercept, and slope is negative 2. Negative 2 is what is there? Negative 2 over 1. 1 right, 2 down. That is next point. 1 right, 2 down, this point. 1 right, 2 down, this point. 1 right, 2 down, this point. Now from right to the left, 2 up, 1 left, or 1 left, 2 up, 1 left, 2 up, 1 left, 2 up. Okay, that's it. The line is solid. You're gonna make the line, solid line. This one is y equals negative 2x plus 1. This one is y equals 2x minus 2. Now let's find solution set. Gradient means what? Over the graph. Where is it? Over the graph, this one. This is over the graph. Where is the intersection? On this side intersection. I'm gonna make another one over here. This side intersection, right? So you can write down over here S over here. Is it okay? Yeah, that's the graph. Okay, we're gonna try B up there. Y is greater than 2x, make the line. The graph is y equal 2x and the line is dashed. This was y equals 3, but the line is solid. Y equal to x, y, b value is 0, y, which is y-intercept is 0. We start from here. Slope is 2, is 1 right, 2 up. That's the slope is 2. From right to the left is what? 2 left to 1 left, 2 down. 1 left, 2 down, same pattern. Test. This is y equal to x. Now take a y equal 3. Y equal 3 is just solid, horizontal line. Y equal 3, we don't care about the value back. That's the horizontal line. Now I'm going to do only one color. Okay, y is greater than 2x is all over the graph. This is gradient. And the but, this is gradient. But less than y equals 3, okay, below than y equals 3, down over here, right? So the solution set up here. Okay, over the graph, down this graph. This is the solution set. Any questions about this? Okay, now try number C again. The with the slope intercept form, right, to make it easy graph. This one equals to plus 2x. You can use y plus 2x and plus 2x. So y is less than 2x plus 2. Okay. Now the graph is y equals 2x plus 2, but the line is dashed. Now second one, divided by -2, -2, -2. When you divide by negative number, direction will be opposite way. -2 divided by -2 is positive 1. That is y is greater than 2 divided by -1. That is negative x. -6 divided by -2 is positive 3. That's the line. That the line is y equals -x plus 3, but still dashed. Okay, you gotta keep this one later. Less than, greater than. Less than is below the graph. This less greater is over the graph. You can now let's make a graph using these two lines. Y equal to x plus 2. What is the line? Y-intercept is 2. Slope is 2. Slope is 2 means what? 2 over 1, right? 1 right, 2 up. That's just 1 right, 2 up, 1 right, 2 up. To the left is what? 1 left, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down. Both dashed line, dashed. The next one, y equal -x plus 3, -x plus over here. -1 is -1 over 1. 1 right, 1 down. So 1 right, 1, that is next point, next point, next point, next point, next point, next point. To the left is 1 left, 1 up, that is another next point. That is still dashed the line. Okay, now check it out. Which part of what below this graph and over this graph? This one I'm going to write down over here. This is y equals -x plus 3 over this graph this side. This 2x plus over here, y equal 2x plus 2, less than graph is this side, less than this side. But over this graph, less than is only this side, the right-hand side, okay? So this side is only what? Solution set. Solution set means that when you choose this point is what, 2 and 3, right? When you put this number 2 and 3 inside over here, it's gonna be true, okay? Because that's the solution. That point belongs to the solution set. Any questions about this? All right, number D. Now let's make a graph again. We have a two inequality. Y the greater than x, make a graph this one. The equation of this one is y equals x. That's the graph. But there's no equal sign. The line is dashed. The line is dashed line. And greater than means over the graph. Okay? The solution is over the graph. Above the graph is better, right? Greater means above the graph. Upper graph, I'm going to the upper graph. This one, we're going to change a little bit about 2, okay, minus 2x, negative y equals negative 2x plus 3. After that, I'm going to still over here, right? Divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1. When you divide by negative 1, the direction will be opposite way. That changed. So negative y divided negative 1 is positive y, but less than, not greater than, okay? Because this number is negative number. Negative 2 over negative 1 is positive 2x. 3 over negative 1 is negative 3. That's the graph. Now the graph is now y equals 2x minus 3. The line is there's no equal sign still. This line is dashed line. Dash. And less than is what? Lower, okay? Lower graph. That's it. That's the first make a graph, this one. This is the second graph. Okay, the graph of y equal x. One step is 0, b value is 0, right? There's no b value, which is 0. Slope is 1. Slope is 1 is 1 right, 1 up. That's the slope is 1. That's the next point. There are dashed line, you can make a dash. Dot line, okay? Dotted line, okay. Because the point on this line not including in the solution set. Okay, we know that upper graph, this upper graph, this is a solution set. Now check out the next one. Y equal 2x minus 3. Y-intercept is negative 3. This is a negative 3. Slope is, this is the first one. That's the second slope is about 2. 2 is what? The 1 right to 2 up. That is 2. 1 right, 2 up. That is 2. 1 right, 2 up. 1 right, 2 up. 1 right, 2 up. To the left is what? The 1 left, 2 down. 1 left, 2 down. That is also a dotted line. So this line, y equals x, this line, y equals 2x minus 3. Lower the graph, okay, below the graph. Where is below the graph? This is below the graph. This is below the graph. This is over the graph. There's no intersection over here. Below. below the, this over graph below the graph. Okay, this is solution set over there. Okay, we have a common area, this one. So I'm gonna make this is a solution set. That's over here. Okay. Any questions about this? You guys can do this one. Okay, first you gotta find the line, the equation of the line, and the line is a solid or dashed. You can choose it and find out the upper part of a graph or lower part of a graph. Okay. Okay, we have some practice over here. Just one more. Okay. Only one. Now I'm gonna try this one. Minus x negative y equals to gradient equals to negative x plus 1. At this time, I'm going to make right divided by negative 1 or times negative 1. It doesn't matter, okay? Divided by negative 1, divide negative 1, divided by negative 1. But this is positive, but direction will be opposite way, okay? So y is less than or equals negative x divided by negative 1 is positive x. 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1, okay? Now choose. The line is solid. The equal sign is solid. And where is the part? Lower part. Okay? Lower part is the solution set. Now let's make a graph over here. Y equals x minus 1. Okay, I'm going to this with the line, okay? Over here. Y equals less than negative x plus 1. This is the line over here, okay? Y-intercept is negative 1, slope is 1, that is the next point. That's the next point. The line is solid, make the line. Not that line, okay, not that line. After that, check it out, lower part. This lower part, this upper part. Lower part over here. So the solution set is over here. That is the solution set. Excellent. Okay, another one we're going to try number 4. This is system of inequality. Okay, now let's find the graph of this one. Find the slope, intercept, and more rays. -2, -2, y is greater than 2x minus 2. This one is x minus 3, it's okay. Now the line of this one is y equals 2x minus 2. We know that that is a dashed line. There's no equal sign. And the gradient is our upper part. Now x is the line is x equal 3, which is a vertical line, right? Less than is our left hand side, okay? 2 is our less than 3, so that is our graph is left of the line. And also a dashed. I forgot dashed. Dashed and left. Okay, now let's make a graph of y equal to 2x minus 2. Minus 2 over here. Slope is 2. Slope is 2 means 1 right, 2 up. That is slope is 2. 1 right, 2. That is the next point. The next point, the next point, the next point. Down over here, and another 2 more point there. The line is dashed. Make a dashed. Big one is okay too. That is dashed. We know that upper part is the solution set over here. You know. Now, x equal 3 is a vertical line. Okay, this is x equal 3. I'm going to different colors. But that is still dashed line. X equal 3. This is dashed, okay, dashed line. That is x equal 3. This way is y equals 2x minus 2. But that is the left here, or left is what? To the left of it. This is left. Where is it? Both. It belongs to over here too. So where is the solution set? Belongs to both, will be here. This point is not to the left of this line, okay? So you can write down, that's your solution set. Any questions about this? Okay, I'm gonna skip this one. We did already, okay? This is for homework sessions. Okay, we're gonna try this one. 4x minus 2y is greater than 6, and pick a point in solution set to check it out. So make a graph of here. Minus 4x, minus 4x. So we got the negative 2y is greater than negative 4x plus 6. But we need to divide by negative 2. So this is positive y, but when you divide negative number, the direction of inequality changed the opposite way. Negative 4 divided by 2 is about positive 2x. 6 divided by 2 is about negative 3. Now from here we can find the graph. Y equals 2x minus 3 is the graph. And the line is dashed. And third one is what? Less than means what? Lower part. That there is a solution. Now let's make a graph from number 1, negative 3 over here. Slope is 2 is what? Is the 1 right, 2 up. That is the slope is 2, right? Down is same pattern. That is the dashed line. This is y equals 2x minus 2 dashed line. We tried lower part. That is the lower part. Only one, okay? There is not system of inequality. There is only one inequality. The solution set is over here. Down. That solution set. Now we're gonna pick a point. Any point is okay. Just a simple, you can point at this point. This point is what is that? When x equals 3, y equals 0. This is what belongs to solution set. You're gonna check it out. How can you check it out? Put this one, substitute original, okay? Not here, always original. Okay, to check it out, to check the solutions. Substitute original. Okay, 4x plus 2y. So 4, x is 3, put this number 3 and 0, okay? 4x is 3 and 2 times y is 0. Is it true or is it greater than 6? You can check it out. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 is greater than 6. Yes, that's true. Now without using graph, this one is just without using graph. You check out the both. Okay, you should satisfy the both. That is what system of inequality is. First, we can check it out. Negative 5 and 3 is working. Put this number over here. Y equals 3, x equals negative 5. maybe check out the first one. Okay, I'm gonna check right the easy way. Okay, first we can check out this one first because this one is by easy way. Okay, y is negative, x is negative 3, y is 3. That's true. Okay, prove here. Y is 3 is greater than x equal negative 5. Negative 5 plus 1. That is true. That is what? 6. Right? 3 is greater than 6. No way. That is not true. Out. Second one. B. Try B. B is what? When x equals 0, y is 4. Y is 4 is greater than x is 0. Yeah, that is true. Then you can go the next because that is true. Okay. Now put this number in first one again. When y is 4, x equals 0, 1/2 times 0 plus 4. 4 is, this is 0, is like 4 is less than 4. No, 4 equals to 4. That is what? Dash the line. Okay. So that is not true. Now check out the 3 and 5, the first one. This is 5. Negative 5 is greater than negative x is 3, negative 3 plus 1. That is negative 2. Negative 5 is greater than negative 2. No way. Negative 5 is less than negative 2. That is not true. Now finally check this one. When y equals 0 is greater than negative 4, x is negative 4 here, okay? X is 4, negative 4 plus 1. That is negative 3. Yeah, 0 is greater than negative 3. True. Now check out the first one. Y is 0 is less than 1/2 x equals 4 and plus 4. So that is equals what? 1/2 times 4 is 2. This is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is greater than 0 or 0 is less than 6. That is true. So this is a solution set. It's okay. Just to substitute, okay, the point into the inequality. But in this case, it should satisfy the both, okay, because that is a solution set. Any questions about this? Okay, we're gonna have some inequality, right? Set up the inequality over here, okay? That is a little hard part. Okay, we try number 1. Okay, Mary babysit for $4 per hour. Okay, if $2 2 hours, $8. 3 hours, 4 times 3, $12. But she also work as a tutor $7 per hour. Okay, she's only allowed to work no more than 13 hours per week. So babysit, I'm going to take care of you. Babysit $4 per hour. That's the rate. Okay, and tutor $7 per hour. But she was only allowed to use, what is that? 13 hours. So this is a number of hours. Babysit, I'm going to use X. Tutor, number of hours is Y. Okay, all right. We got this one. The first one, there is constraint. But he cannot work for more than 13 hours. More than 13 hours is less than or equal, right? From this one, this is the number of hours for babysit. This is the number of for tutor. The first we can find out X plus Y total number of hours should be less than or equal 13, not more than 13 means or less than or equal. We got the one equations. Okay, the next one. She wants to make at least $63. This is a total amount. You can find the total amount over here. Okay, total amount, okay, subtotal amount, how much? Babysitter $4, X hours is what? 4 times X is 4X, isn't it? What about tutor? Y hours, each hour gives Y $7, so 7 times Y dollars. Grand total is what? 4X 4x plus 7y. That's the grand total, right? This grand total should be less than, at least is what must greater than or this $63. That's system of inequalities. Can you see that? Can you set up this one? That's the answer, okay? You can set up it here. So how can you find the solutions? What is the x out? What is the value of y? We did already using the graph. It's okay? All right. So you can make a graph over here. Y is less than minus x and minus x plus 13. This y is what 7y is greater than or equals to minus 4x. So actually minus 4x plus 63. After that, you can divide by 7, right? 7 is a positive number, but direction doesn't change. This is y is greater than negative 4 over 7x plus 63 divided by 7 is 9. Okay, we have two equations over here, two inequalities over here, okay? Now let's make a graph. This graph is y equals negative x plus 3 graph. That equal sign is what? The line is solid. And the less than means what? Lower part. Okay, I'm gonna make a graph of it, okay? Just approximately. This is x, this is y. Y-intercept is 3. Slope is negative 1. The graph looks like this with the solid. Where are the solutions? Lower part of the solution over here. The next one, this graph. This graph is what? Y equals negative 4 over 7x plus 9. And also the line is solid. Gradient is what? Upper part of the graph. Positive 9 is up to here, very low. Up to here, there is a positive 9. Slope is negative 7 over 4. Okay, negative 7 over 4, very slow, right? I did wrong over here. This is 30, this is 13, okay? I'm sorry, not 3, 13, okay, I'm gonna make a graph again. That is 13. Okay, that's fine, 13. But this 9 is not up here, 9 is up here. And the slope is a negative 4 over 7, okay, less than 1, right? The graph looks this way. This is y equals negative 4 over 7x plus 9. But gradient is what? This is lower, this is upper, right? That's the solution set over here. And the value of x and y is already positive, right? Hours, and this is the number of hours, number is already grade equal 0, right? So x equal grade 0, y equal grade 0. So this part of the solution set. Okay, you can choose any point over here, okay? Okay, we're gonna try one more, right? To set up the right inequality. You can use the right table over here. That's the table. Okay, it cost 50 cents to make a bracelet and $1 to make a necklace, okay? To make a profit, the total cost per bracelet and necklace must be less than $10. Total cost price must be less than $10. Okay, the jeweler can make no more than 15 pieces of jewelry each day. You're talking about one day, right? Cannot make more than 14 pieces. So we're gonna write a system of inequality to measure the number of bracelet, and they said the number of bracelet necklace. I'm gonna just number bracelet is X, necklace number necklace is Y. So over here, bracelet. That is $1. Number of X, I use over here, bracelet X. That's the price, unit price. That's the number. That is total each day. The next one is necklace. Necklace over here. That is, it takes, this is bracelet, $1. I'm sorry, bracelet is 50 cents. Okay, I did wrong. $0.5. This is $1. This is a number of our necklace is what? Y. Okay, they use this one. What is total? 0.5 times X. That is what total for the neck bracelet. The next one is what? Necklace is how much? $1 times Y, just the Y, right? Okay, now set up the inequality. First one, inequality over here. The number of pieces, okay, bracelet and necklace cannot be more than 14. Not more than 14 means what? Less than or equals. Now more than means what? Less than or equal. So X plus Y should be less than or equal to 14. That's the one of the inequality. Second one is about grand total, okay? Total cannot be less than, no, it should be, must be less than $10. What is total amount? Sum of these two, right? So 0.5X and plus Y, that is total amount, must be less than $10. That's the inequality. Okay, that's this. To find the solution, you need to make a graph, okay? Same as number one. Any questions about this? What about Victoria?
No.
It's okay? You understood?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, we're gonna skip, okay, this is the same. We're gonna try this one. Okay, we could try number 3 over here. And also you can go to YouTube, these numbers, they're gonna explain over here, okay? Then you can go to YouTube, okay? That's the homework sessions we did already, okay? Maybe one of this we can try because we can make a graph over here. Right? That is not hard, okay? So we need to set up the inequality. So boys and girls soccer clubs are trying to raise money for pure uniforms. Boys soccer club is selling candy bars, $2 each. Boys soccer, girls soccer is selling candle, $4 each. They must raise more than $800. They need more than $800. The girls expect to sell at least what, 100 candles. What about boy? Boy, there are no restrictions. Boys is just what, $2. Okay, now we're gonna set up the right table. Boys candle. This is boy. They use candy bar. $2 each. I'm going to say $2 each. Girls, candle. $4 each. Now number of this one is X, the other one is Y. Okay. All right, the next one you can try the total amount. What is total amount? Times X over here, right? Each one is $2 times X is what? $2X. That is the subtotal for this candy bar. What about candles? You have they sold what? Y candles. Each one is $4. 4 times Y, that is $4Y. Now grand total is how much? 2X plus 4Y equals no more than this number, more than 800. That's the first inequality. The second one is over here, the number of X, the number of Y, number of candy, number of Y, okay, candles cannot be negative number, right? Okay, we're gonna write out this later. And also the next one more over here. Girls must sell right at least 100. So the value of Y is the girls, okay? The number of candles Y should be greater than or equals 100. This is already positive. X is a positive, right? X is also 0 or positive. So this is inequality. System of inequality. Is it okay? Now we can make a graph over here. Y equals 100. Now take out this one first. 4y negative 2x is a negative 2x plus 800. Is it okay? Now the next one you can divide by 4. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Y is greater than divided by 2 is a negative 1 over 2x and plus 200. Y intercept is 200. So let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that is 200. I thought this is 200. This is 100. This is 50. This is 150 over here. Number of candy bar is greater than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's fine, okay? Greater than. You can use this one too. Now let's make a graph this one. This graph is Y equals negative 1 over 2x plus 1200. The line is a dash, that's no equal sign, dashed. So solution set is about upper, Y is greater than the upper part of the graph, upper part. Okay, now let's make Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 200. Y intercept 200 over here. What is 1 over 2? Move right 2. Okay, 1 over 2, you can use a negative 1 over 2, right? Right 2, 1 down, isn't it? Right 2, 1 down. Right 2, 1 down, that's the next one. Let me see. This is a little bit, because we have a different, right? This is a scale is 10. This is scale is 1. Different, okay? Okay, so that is the next point. So we're gonna substitute the number of next point over here, okay? To find the y each number, x is even number is better, okay? When x is 2, what happened? When x is 2, what is the y? Y equals 1 over 2 times 2 plus 200. That's 199, right? 190 now. Wow, that is very small. Okay. These two big numbers, 800 is too big number. Okay, I'm gonna find out, okay, y in x-intercept. X-intercept y equal to 0, okay? 1/2 x plus 200, that's x-intercept. Wow, x-intercept too much. X-intercept is 400, that's only two numbers. Okay, this one is a little hard to make a graph. Okay, a little hard to make a graph. Okay, maybe this is same number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, no. Yeah, 130, 140, 150, 160, 70, 80, 90, 200. That is a scale is 10, 10. That's okay. Okay, so now we can use, okay, same slope, okay? That is what? 2 right, 1 down, 2 right, that is the next one. When you probe your 20, that is 190, okay, that's fine. Now you can use this point. 2 right, 1 down, right? Same scale, that's a 10, 10, okay? Still you can use 2 down, 1 9. Let's keep going. That is the dashed line. That's the upper part of the solutions. Okay. The next one is what? Y is greater than 100. Y is greater than 100 over here. Okay. Y equal 100. Is it? Y equal 100. That is a solid and the upper part. Y equal 100. Solid upper part. Upper part. This is the common area, right? So solution set over here. Here. Upper part, that is the common area this way. That's the solution set. Okay, all right. So I'm not going to do number 5. You guys can try this one, okay? Step functions. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one, okay? If you score, okay, do this step function, we can do next time, okay? Okay, okay. Okay, we can try step function over here. This is very simple. Okay, we can try to the homework section. Okay, that's very simple, okay? The first one, that is a step function because over here, from -2 to the 0, okay? So you can make over here. We start -2, 4, right? So -2, this is y. Okay, still this is a 2, 4. Maybe you can middle line is okay too. This is x. I'm gonna make it in the middle. It doesn't matter. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, first we can check it out. When x equals -2 to 0, okay? Where is the -2 to 0? -2 over here. This is -2. And less than 0. But this is including up to here for this interval, right? The height is y equals always 5. Where the line? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The line is here, y equals 5. This is including over here, right? This is including, this is not included. The line is over here. That is not including. That's the step functions. Okay, between this interval, the value of y equals to 5. What about between 0 and 2? 0 is including, 2 is not including. The value of y equals 3. Y equals 3 over here, 1, 2, 3 over here. But this is including, y is not including up to here, right? This is what, 0, okay, 2, 4. So keep going over here, not including. This is including. They're always constant functions. Y equals 3. That's just step functions. Okay, between 2 and 4, the height is already 1. Y equals 1. Between 2, this is actually 2 that including, when 4 not including, right? So the line is 1. That just step kind of looks like a step, right? You can jump over here. Step, step, step. Okay, that is just step functions. Okay? Okay, we're gonna try number 2 one more time. Eight is too higher, so this is lower. I'm gonna make this is all positive, right? We're gonna make this is 6 is 9. Maybe we can use this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's fine. I'm gonna make this is the y-axis, and this is x-axis. This is 0. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's perfect. Highest point is 9, right? This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's fine. Now, between 0 and 2, from here, between 0 and 2, from here to here, the value of y equals to 8, right? That is the value of y. That is the value of y. Where is 8? 8 is over here. But this is including, this point is including over here. When x equals 2, not including, right? The graph looks like this. I'm going to use a different color. This is including 2, not including. That's the step functions. Okay. Now what happened? 3 to 6. 2 and 3, nothing. 2 and 3, nothing. Jump. 2 and 3, nothing. From here, nothing. 3 to 6. From here, 3 to 6 up to here. That is height is 5. But 3 is including 5 is over here. 3, right? Between 2 and 3, that's no graph. Okay? All right. Only 3 to the 6. From here, 3 to the 6 is 5. Okay, not including. The height is the same height, 5. It is okay. That's just step functions. Okay, now between 6 and 9, 6 and 9 up to here. 6 and 9 are here. The height is only 2. The height is only 2. But 6 is including, still height is 2. 9 is not including. That's just step functions. It's okay, right? Okay. That is fine. Okay, I'm not gonna do this, okay, continuous and discrete. Discrete is Continuous is the line. Discrete is not the line. Okay, some selected point that is discrete. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Maybe you can show over here. Discrete is already expressed in the point. Okay. Continuous. This is continuous, not point. This is continuous. This one is what? Discrete. You can say this is discrete. This is continuous. This is also what? Continuous. Okay, the line. Okay, what is domain? Domain is X value, right? Domain is X value. This is discrete, that continuous. Domain is what is that? This is X equals 0, X equals 1, this point X equals 2, this is X equals 3, this point is what? X equals 4. So domain is X equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The value of X. Okay. What about range? The value of y also discrete from the value of y. This is what? 0. This is what? 2. This is a 4. This is a 6. This is a 8. That is the value of y, which is the range. Okay. So is it a function? Yeah, you can use a vertical line test. When you make only one value of x, one value of x, one value of x, and one value of x, one value of x. That is a function. This is discrete function. Okay, so we're gonna try a continuous. Where is domain? All the way down over here. There's a graph over here from what? 0 to 4, right? So domain is, you can write down over here that the continuous, we cannot use this discrete. Continuous is what? X is greater than or equal 0, but less than or equals 4. That is domain. Or you can use right interval notation. Interval notation from x equal from 0 to 4, bracket means including. Both sides include this point, okay? That is domain. What about range the value of y? Y is what? From here up to here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the values are from 0 to 8. So y is greater than 0, but less than y equals to 8. Also, interval notation was 0 to 8 inclusive. Yeah, this is a function. Vertical line test working. This is a function. And okay, we just did right discrete and continuous. How to find the domain range. Okay, all right. I think that's enough. Okay, we continue about a little more practice over here. Okay, that's fine. 4 and 5 and 6. This is discrete point. Second one is a continuous. Third one is a continuous. Okay, what is domain over here? There's no graph of domain. The value of x is only when x equals x is 1, there's a point 1. And also we have a point on x equals 3 and x equals 4, x equals 6. That's it. Oh, no other point. There's no point. That's the domain, x value, right? Domain is x value. Range is y value. This is negative 2 over here. We have point. This point is about value of y is 2. This point, the value of y is about 5. Another 5, same point. But you can use what same thing. It's okay. Or you can use what just 1 times of 5. That's the range. This is a function, right? For one value of x, that's only one value of x, one value of x, one value of x, one value of x. That's the vertical line test. That is their functions. It is discrete or continuous. Yes, that is discrete. That's a point. But this is continuous. We cannot use a point. So many points are there, right, from these two. So in this case, we have to use what the value of x is where start. Where the value of x start? From -5, they start. Up to here, but less than before than 6, not equal 6. That is the domain. Okay, the value of x is from -5 or equal to -5, but less than 6. All right, what about interval notation? You can use interval notation there, including -5 up to 6, not including the parentheses, not including. That is not including. Okay, that's not included over here. That is including the mark. Range is what? From here, minimum is this is range, this is range. They have the value of y in this range. Minimum range is -6. So you can say y is the minimum from -6, maximum is up to here, 2, right? That's the range. Or you can use the interval notations, include the -6, include 2, positive 2. This is a vertical line test. This is working. This is a function, right? You can use the vertical line test over here. Only one point there. If this one is, what is that? Vertical line test, 3 point. That is not a function. But this is okay. This is a function. And this is continuous. The last one, number 6. Domain is from here to here. The value of x is what? Start from here to here, right? They're all value of x. So x equals greater than or equals to -5, but less than or equals to 5 because this is a semicircles. Or you can use interval notation, okay, from -5 to up to +5, including these two numbers. What about range? The value of y? Start from here. 물어보요. There's no graph. From here, they start to have a graph. The value of y equals 0. From here, they have the value of y. Up to here, up to 5 over here, right? After that, there's no graph. Graph is what always exists between 0 and 5 only, right? That's the range. This is the range. Okay, that's the range. The maximum range is 5. So you can use interval notation, 0 to 5. Yeah, that is a function, right? Vertical line test, that is a function. This is the continuous. Okay, all right. That is not hard, okay? Now check it out. One more, domain and range. This is function or not. Where is the domain? The value of x is what? Start from here, all the not including, all the way up to here, 4, right? Included. That is the value of x. We start from that -2 to the 4. That is the domain. The value of x. Yep, the value of the domain, you can use x is greater than 2, not including, because that is why I'm whole over here, -2, but less than or equals including 4 here, the mark over here, right? That's fine. Or using interval notation from -2, not inclusive, maximum is 4, that the bracket is including the numbers. This is reset interval notation. What about range? The value of y, we start from here, not including up to here, up to here. That's it, that's the range. This is domain. This is range. Okay? So domain range is what? Y equals 0, we start at 0, okay? Y equals 0, but not including 0. And the 2 over here, they're all 2 over here. So many 2. Less than or equals 2. That's the range. Now interval notation is greater than 0 up to 2 inclusive. That is the interval notations. Vertical line test is working. Vertical line test is working. That is a function. That is continuous, not discrete. Okay, now we have a very popular graph over here, okay, parabolas. What is domain? Domain is what? This keep going forever. Where is it? To the right again, to the left again, that is what? Go to infinite. Okay, so all real x. Or you can use interval notation, negative infinity and positive infinity. All the way, right? Go on. What about range? From here, we got the range of your graph. Right down over what happened over here. Keep going forever, there is negative infinity, right? There is 3 to the negative infinity. There is no graph over here, nothing. The range is what? Negative infinity to positive 3, interval notation. Or you can use what y is less than or equals 3. That's fine. That is also expressed what? In range. Vertical line test, okay. Vertical line test, only 1 point over here. That is a function. That is a continuous. Okay. Now we're going to try a discrete over here. We have a point numbers. The value of x is only 1 point. Over 1 point, another point, point, point. Only 4 points are there. So x value is what is that? Negative 2, 0, 2, and 3. On this value of x, we have a point. That's the domain. What about range? Domain is from here to here, right? Domain range is from here to here, but discrete. Lowest one, negative 1. Second one is this one, the positive 1. Third one is 2. Last one is 3, right? That is the range. This is still function, right? We have 1 point only when you take right vertical line test. There's only 1 point of intersections. This is a function. This is discrete, definitely. Are you guys with me? Okay, take a look over here. Graph the function is domain of graph, discrete or continuous, find the domain of it. Over here. Number of bags is x. Number of marbles is 20. Bags is only what? 2, 3, 4. There's no 1.5 bags. There's no 1.2 bags. That is discrete. Okay, only we solved by number of bags. Number of 2, y is 20, right? This is 20. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There's no 1.5 decimal number of bags. Only bags number is always integer. Okay. In addition to that, only what? Even numbers. 2 is 20 marbles. 4 is 40 marbles. 6, 60 marbles. 8, 80 marbles. That's it. No more. No more. After that, not 10 bags, not 12, only 88 bags maximum. That's discrete. What is domain? Domain is the value of x. That's discrete. 2, 4, and 6, 8. That is the domain. What about range? The value of y. This is what range. The minimum is 20. The next one is 40. The next is 60. The next is 80. That's the range. The value of this is a domain x value. Domain is x value. Range is y value. That's why we use what dx, r, and y. That's y value. This is x value. It's a domain. Y value is a range. Okay. All right. Now move on to the next. What happened over here? Okay. I think we did that's enough for the discrete. Okay, we have a graph over here, right? So we have to check the which is a solution set. First, find out, we need to make a graph, find what the equation of this one, right? Y-intercept is 2, slope is what? 1 left, 2 up is what? Negative 2, isn't it? The equation is y equals negative 2x plus 2. That's the equation of this line. But there is a dashed line and the lower part. Dashed line, lower part, the inequality, what is that? Y is lower part is less than Dash is what? No equal. The solution is y is less than 2x plus 2. That's this. You know that, right? That is dashed line. Lower part. Less than is the lower part. Dashed line is no equal sign. Okay? So y equal less than negative 2x plus 2. There is no answer. Slope is negative 2 is correct. There's no negative 2. Y-intercept is 2, right? I'm going to check this one. This is out. That is correct. Okay? Okay, number 2, which quadrant will be completely shaded in the graph of this one? Y equals less than or equals 2x. The graph is y equals 2x. So less than is the lower part. That is solid. Y equals 2x graph looks like this way. Solid and lower part. So here, which quadrant? This is quadrant 1. This is the quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. This side is quadrant 4. Completely shaded. Quadrant 4 is not completely half. This also was not. This is a completely shaded. Quadrant 4 is the answer. Okay. All right. Now, how can you find the solution? Which point is solution you can substitute? As I told you, right? Satisfy the both. You can check out the first one. 1. Okay, we can check out the first one. 0 and 3. 1, x equals 0, y is 3. 3 is less than x equals 0 is 2 times 0 plus 2. 3 is less than 2? No, 3 is greater than 2. You don't need the y continuous work. You should stop over here. The next one, 2 is 0. What is number 2? Y equals 0. X is 2, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay? 6 is greater than 0, that's fine. Now continue to work with the next one. When y equals 0 is greater than 1 equals negative 2 minus 1. This is what is that? Yep, 0 is greater than negative number. This is working too. That's the answer. Okay, we can continue to check, right? That is not working. Are you guys okay? All right, now we're gonna set it to one more times number 4. Josh is having a picnic for 78 guests. He plans to serve each guest at least 1 hot dog. Yeah, at least 1 hot dog. So some guests would like hot dog, you wanna eat around more than 10 hot dog, 20 hot dog. Okay. They all like hot dog. Each package P contains 8 hot dog over here. Each package P contains each package P. There are 8 hot dogs there. A hot dog. Okay, we have a right P packages over here. So which inequality could be used to determine how many packages of hot dogs larger we'll need to buy? 78. Each one has at least 1. The hot dog should be greater than 78, right? You're gonna buy hot dog, right? Greater than 78, isn't it? 90 is okay, 100 is okay, right? So what is the number of hot dog over here? Each package is what? 8 hot dog. We have P package, total number of hot dog is 8 times P. But this number of hot dogs should be greater than or equals 78. At least one hot dog. That's the inequality, okay? So choice 2 is the answer. Okay, we have already summarized over here. Okay, if the inequality of less than or that no equal sign, the graph will be what dashed line. Or you can use got it right. This is equal, okay? The graph will have a solid line, okay? This dot line. This is solid line. Okay, the inequality y is greater than or y is greater than or equals is just set with what is the upper part. Lower is down. And you see over here, this is both up. This both up. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, a lot of work over here. I think, okay, we're almost done, right? Because we know how to graph this one and how to find the solution set. Okay, there's a little more practice. If you need more practice, you can try this one, okay? This is section 3. You can see a lot of practice there. Okay? That's just step functions, and you can make a graph, okay? It's almost same thing, okay? Okay, today's our last the class. Okay, so we cannot completely finish this one, but we almost done. Okay, how to find graph or solutions of inequality. Okay, but remember this one. And if you have any questions about this work, when you try this one, okay, workout, you can any questions you can ask me. Okay, in the email you can send the email. Okay, and only I couldn't I couldn't grade your homework. Okay. So I grade this one today. I'm going to send out. Okay, sorry about this one because this week really was so tied up. Okay. All right. Any questions about this inequality? You guys can figure out by yourself. What about Victoria?
I think so.
You think so? What about Pico? Pico, you can figure out by yourself. What about Kamir?
Yeah.
You can do that, right? Okay. So now let's finish today, okay? So you guys have great December, okay? If possible, we can see you again. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Nice December.
Bye, everybody.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, happy holiday, okay?